We are in the village called Teluhu. From here we are going to take a mini boat. This is how the harbor looks like. Yes. You can see the people boarding. Yeah, the water's clean but full of garbage. This is the ticket office. So this is how the boat looks like. Can even fit in there. Pure real experience, guys. Check this out, the driver just left. He went to the deck. Halfway, engine broke down. With the help of pliers, our captain's trying to fix it. Here we are. Took probably 40 minutes. Haruku Island.